Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. If you're new, welcome to the channel. If you've been around, thanks for sticking around because I think you are fantastic. Yes, I don't care what kind of day you're having. Deep down, there's something special in everybody. There's a little good in the worst of us. There's a little bad in the best of us. Everybody's got a little something special, and that means you too. So now that I've sounded all spiritual and groovy and deep and meaningful, that was a terrible impression of what's-her-face from that show. Oh, David, I think that this is a terrible idea. What's her name on Schitt's Creek? Moira. I've never tried to do her voice before, but it's kind of worked a little. David. Today we are unboxing Glossy Box, and we're super happy about it. I got this box for $16. It's usually $21, but I got it for $16. I'm super cool. It's cool. I haven't looked in it. I haven't been watching anybody's videos. I like to have surprises. Ah, that's a satisfying noise if I ever heard one. And you open it up to find another box inside. And then we've got a card from Gem Mist. And it's a 20% off a subscription order. And it's a shampoo and conditioner subscription order. I'll put this right here. You can pause it. And my hands shake. But you can pause it and use that code to get 20% off a subscription. Woo! Did I mention to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell? Thank you, please. So, Glossy Box. Oh, I'm pulling it out and opening it up all at the same time. Woo! Woo! I love throwing shit. This is a very sweet, heavy box. It is very tough materials. I'm taking the Glossy Box lid off. These boxers are fantastic to reuse for other things. And it's got a little seal and a little ribbon. Oh, maybe that's not the way to pull the ribbon. There we go. All right. It comes with a little booklet. And this is what's in the box. And there's a big bottle of something in here. I can tell you that. Let's take a look. Oh, I'm going to need my glasses. Rhonda's getting old. But it's okay. I'm happy with who I am. And I've lived every day of my life. And it's a good thing so far. Why am I so deep today? Everybody's got something special, Rhonda. Why are you doing Moira's imitation? Why are you talking about how awesome that you think you are? Because if you don't like yourself, how are you going to like anybody else? Can I get a hey yeah? A hey yeah. And so this has all items in the MSRP, and we will take note of how much the value of this box is as we, maybe at the end, because there's a lot of stuff here. And I'm going to start with the first thing that I see, which is this big ass bottle. And it is Bioderma Sebium H2O Solution Micellaire Détente Purifiante. That's me butchering some French. I took French in high school. I was in Paris once, and all I could do was insult a waiter. I was not great at French, but I can sometimes pronounce stuff. And this says Purifying Cleansing Micelle Solution. This is really big, and this will go a long way. And let's see, here it is. The Bioderma, this is full size. This best-selling dermatological micellar water cleanses the skin by removing dirt and debris, purifying and limiting sebum creation for the freshest feeling. Soak a cotton pad with the micellar water and wipe across your face. Couldn't be easier. And this is $14.90. And it's been a while since I had a box from Glossy Box, so it's exciting to see what kind of stuff they have in here now. And this is seed phytonutrients, and this is a lightweight facial lotion, 90% natural and 100% vegan. This moisturizer is rich in antioxidants to defend your skin from damaging free radicals, and doubles as a makeup primer, which I love. I always need more primers. And it is in a nice tinted bottle. Use the dime size amount daily and before applying makeup. $34. So let's take a smell. I don't want to spray it just yet. And how do you do a dime size with this? Oh, it's a little pump. It doesn't smell like anything but kind of clean. Let me look at the box and see if it tells me any more details about this priming face oil cream thing. And it says our lightweight facial lotion is designed for a light touch of daily moisturizer. And it says supporting independent American farmers who grow our camelina and sunflower seeds for normal to oily skin. All right, it doesn't tell me a whole lot more than that, but it looks very cool, and it's a nice price for something you can use as a moisturizer and as a primer. I love things that are good, like 2-in-1s. 2-in-1, not 2 and 2. What am I, Chuck Woolery on the dating game? We got 2 and 2. That's what he said. Do you remember the dating game? How old am I? I am 52. That's in case you want to know, I'm 52. And this is from Koras or Koras, depending on who says it. And I love their vitamin C night mask, the Wild Rose. I use that every night. And this is the Hydra Balm Probiotic Super Dose Face Mask. And this is a deluxe mini. And it is a probiotic mask with Greek yogurt, rehydrates, reduces redness, and rebalances skin natural protective layer in just one use. Very cool. Well, hello, Wolfie. What's going on? You doing okay, Wolf? That's my cat, Wolfie. He is one of 4. But this does not have a price. And their stuff is really good. Oh, it does have a price. It's $10. So it is very nice miniature size, and you can get a lot of uses out of that. Then I got this, and this is a Mixi stick. And Starter CBD, how refreshing. Say hey to Zolt. We're about to peak your performance as you drink your CBD. That's why Zolt CBD drink mixes are optimized for your body's absorption, up to 5 times more effective than other hemp formats. Thanks, science. It says thanks, science. It says thanks, science. And it's deliciously simple. Balanced coconut Mixi sticks raise your baseline performance mentally and emotionally. Man, mentally, emotionally, and physically. No wonder I'm so deep. I knew I was getting this deep, fantastic, meaningful CBD drink mix. This is $3.20 for the stick. And for a pack of 10, it is $32. And it just says it's a vegan drink additive made with organic sweeteners and a natural flavor. And it comes in a variety of flavors. And you put it in a bottle or a blender or whatever. You shake it up. I would suggest cold water usually. That's just me. I'm a little crazy like that. Oh, then we've got reusable rounds, which are always nice to have, being eco-friendly and all. And this says After Spa 2-pack reusable rounds, perfect for all skin types. These reusable makeup wipes are made in the softest fabric and can replace disposable cotton rounds. Plus, they require only water to remove even the toughest makeup. Wash once before use. After wash, simply soak with warm water and squeeze. And this is $10. take a look. Ooh, they are so soft. They're like suede-y, velvety. These are nice, and they're a nice size. Oh, it's so big. And maybe I will put them in the wash. I've got a couple of those little cloths that you activate after wash, and I haven't noticed any great things from them. But maybe this will be different. Come on, this time it'll be different for sure. And I have one more thing. Ding! I almost missed it. Aptiva full size lip care with propolis. Made with propolis oil, blossom oil, shea butter, and more moisturizing and healing ingredients. Your chapped lips. Ooh, I love a lip balm, even though I've got 100. Super glad to get a lip balm. We'll be taking care of this winter. Did I seem sincere at all when I said that? No, I did not sound sincere. $8. So that brings this $21 box to a value of $70.10. And for the, I got it for $16, which I'm glad, because if I got this for $21, I'd feel kind of ripped off. Because like with BoxyCharm and other boxes, you just get so much more value. So this is the little CBD drink, the little face pads, this lip balm, the Koras. Oh, Gesundheit to myself. Hydro Balm or Biome, Hydro Biome, not Hydro Balm. That stuff. We got the big micellar water, which is great. And we got the super nice face lotion and primer. So we got a lot of things, and it was $70.10 value. I don't know if I'm going to keep getting Glossy Box. I just got it because it was a good deal this month. We'll have to stick around. You'll have to stick around and see if it comes back again, because I'm really into boxes where I get my value out of it. And yeah, $70 is not bad for a $21 box, but I'm just used to BoxyCharm. And this is, you know, not a BoxyCharm. It's a lot of skincare. I do like a little more makeup in my boxes. I mean, I love skincare too, but I don't know. This is just kind of a letdown box for me. I'm glad I only paid $16. But I love you guys. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.